Hello students, in Geography Chapter 2, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Resources, today I will teach you about natural vegetation and wildlife in India. We have already learned in previous class that biosphere exists at the contact of hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere. Since biosphere is the only zone where life exists, it is also known as zone of life. All vegetation, whether herb, shrub and trees, wildlife, as well as humans are a part of biosphere. We are also interdependent on each other for our needs and survival. Living organisms interact with their surroundings to form an ecosystem. Natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human aid, and wildlife refers to all non-domesticated plants, animals and other organisms. So, let us see the benefits obtained from plants and animals, flora and fauna. Importance of plants. It provides us food, it has industrial value, they are eco-friendly, they provide us timber, fibers, medicine, etc. Plants produce oxygen that is essential for us to survive. They also take in carbon dioxide to prepare their food. In this way, they maintain the balance of gases in our atmosphere. In fact, the trees are called the lungs of our earth. These are some plants that provide oxygen. In our homes, they maintain the oxygen cycle in the atmosphere. So, maintain the balance of gases in our atmosphere. Trees provide us with timber, which means wood to build houses and furniture. Plants provide us with fruits. They give us vegetables also. They provide us nuts also, like almonds, cashew, walnut. They give us latex to make rubber. Gum. They provide us medicines also, like basil, lemon balm, coriander. Eucalyptus oil, tulsi, ginger, peppermint, aloe vera. Tulsi, neem, etc. Plants also provide shelter to many animals, insects, and birds. The roots of the plants and trees bind the soil and thereby prevent soil erosion. Plants allow percolation of water in the soil. This allows water to be stored as groundwater. Now students, I will teach you about benefits of wildlife. Animals provide us with products like milk, cow, buffalo, goat, they give us milk. Hens and birds, they give us eggs. They provide us with meat. Sheep give us wool. Insects like bees give us honey. Bees also help in pollination of flowers. Certain insects and birds feed on dead plants and animals. That is why vultures are regarded as natural cleansers of the environment. Vultures feed on dead animals and birds. Students, today I taught you about natural vegetation and wildlife, benefits of plants, and benefits of wildlife.